At first light, the journey begins where banana plants complete their final cycle.
Each stem is checked for maturity, timing everything in agriculture.
With one precise motion, the plant gives up what it has grown.
Inside, valuable fibers wait to be unlocked.
Nothing is rushed. Control protects both crop and land.
Inside, valuable fibers wait to be unlocked.
Even before machinery, quality control begins here.
Mechanization meets manual harvest at the field edge. Weight and balance matter from the very first move.
Stability now prevents loss later.
Freshness determines fiber strength.
This is the handoff between farm and factory.
Clean transport protects raw material integrity.
Clean transport protects raw material integrity.
Volume builds quickly when every stem counts.
A final check.
A final check ensures nothing goes to waste.
The field releases its harvest to the next stage.
From discarded plant to valuable resource, the journey is underway.
What once stayed behind in the field now enters the supply chain.
Transport stability preserves fiber quality mile after mile.
The landscape changes as processing replaces farming.
Every load is logged before it enters the plant.
Traceability begins at the gate. Authorization clears the way inside.
Phase 4 is moving smoothly.
Yes, we've cleared almost half the inventory.
Cleaning begins the moment material crosses this threshold.
Mechanical abrasion removes what nature leaves behind. Water finishes what brushes start.
Waste exits while value moves forward.
Clean surfaces reveal fiber condition clearly.
Not every piece qualifies for processing.
Even rejects are redirected responsibly.
Only consistent material advances.
Uniform size ensures predictable processing.
Sensors verify what eyes once judged.
Automation corrects deviations instantly.
Cleanliness here affects fiber yield later.
Controlled moisture prevents processing issues.
Air replaces time in industrial drying.
Human judgment still matters.
Identity stays with the material at every step.
Cleaning and sorting are complete.
The system is now ready for core processing. Decortication separates fiber from pulp. Controlled force replaces manual labor. The stem starts to reveal its strength. Byproducts are removed immediately. Washing stabilizes fiber chemistry. Alignment prepares fibers for automation. Moisture control affects final texture. Systems respond in real time. Gentle handling prevents damage. Drying defines fiber usability. Controlled environments protect quality. Moisture leaves, structure remains. Heat is measured, never guessed. Core processing reaches completion. The material is ready for full automation. Here, fibers are shaped for their final purpose. Refining smooths and standardizes the material. Speed control prevents fiber damage.
Friction enhances surface uniformity.
Transformation becomes visible.
Even distribution ensures consistent output.
Heat stabilizes fiber structure.
Balance between dry and flexible is critical.
Precision replaces guesswork. Measurement ensures repeatability.
Machines correct themselves instantly.
Clean edges improve downstream handling. Nothing valuable is wasted. Defects are identified immediately. Cooling fixes the transformation in place. The product is ready for precision work.
Synchronization keeps the process fluid. Precision now defines every movement.
Automation brings repeatable accuracy. Digital patterns replace manual templates. Flow is restored without interruption. Pressure shapes consistency.
Data confirms every action.
Classification happens instantly.
Cooling stabilizes compressed fibers.
Quality is measured, not assumed.
Imperfections are corrected, not ignored. Only verified material advances.
Identity is locked into every unit.
Information flows as smoothly as material.
Automation hands off to precision finishing. Finishing determines how the material will be used.
Texture is refined, not altered.
Small adjustments create big differences.
Precision is verified again.
Alignment improves handling and packing. Final trimming completes the form.
Efficiency includes recovery. Stability improves downstream packaging. Clean surfaces meet strict standards.
Human eyes still confirm machine work.
Clear identification aids handling.
Calibration confirms readiness.
Order prepares for verification.
Protection preserves finish quality.
Finishing hands off to testing.
Every batch now faces scrutiny. Verification is the final filter before approval.
Dimensions must match exact specifications. Density affects strength and performance.
Strength is measured under stress.
Numbers reveal real performance.
Moisture must fall within narrow limits.
Clean processing leaves clean material.
Structure confirms processing quality.
Data ties quality to traceability.
Decisions are data-driven.
Approval clears the way forward.
Issues are corrected, not hidden. Accountability closes the loop.
Certification confirms readiness.
Quality control hands off to logistics.
The product is cleared for market.
Final steps begin here. Packaging preserves everything achieved so far. The process now shifts from production to protection.
Storage bridges production and delivery.
Inventory waits under controlled conditions. Orders trigger the final movement.
The supply chain reconnects with the road.
And this is how modern factories produce banana stem fiber from start to finish.
The product is sealed for transport.
Documentation completes accountability.
Value leaves the factory, ready for use.
Inside, the cycle never stops.
Waste has been transformed into opportunity.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.